card for more information.
Oh, I couldn't get in. What you have, Dylan? This is amazing. This is something. We made it 70 out here. We are in, I don't know, I'll show you when we leave. But yeah, me and my homegirl. Homegirl never want to be seen. Stop it. It feels amazing out here. I already said this drink was amazing. What's that, guys? Thank you. Oh, we got something else, y'all. I don't know. This is none.
It's a hibiscus drink.
Oh, nice. She gonna take. Didn't I say the other one?
Yeah, but he didn't understand you. He said, oh, the same, and then he walked off. So what is the other one?
What the fuck is that?
What is the other one?
You like that? Okay. So I got steak, quesadilla, and all that stuff up there. That stuff right there, I'm not gonna eat. And we got chips and salsa. And then, is this the lunch special? The lunch special was supposed to be some, but and it came with chips and salsa. You can't get all three of the same taco. And it come with a drink that I was told is made the proper way, but it's a little flat, guys. It's a little flat. Also, it's really nothing special about the special because, yeah. Oh, I don't know. Do you eat quesadillas with utensils? Down about one set of utensils. There are two of us. Yeah. But a margarita is everything. Also, it was just one thing, salsa and chips. If I got a lunch special and she got a lunch special, then I should have salsa and chips. And she should have salsa and chips, right? Let me know down in the comments below what you think. Everybody. All the haters. Hey, haters. Hi, haters. Now, I'm eating this, but I'm not happy. I'm happy. I'm not... I don't know. Thank God for Jesus. It's just something off. Probably because it's authentic. What he got? Bump, bump. Oh, that's the Chinese place you come out.
I don't know.
You just said that. Jokingly. Well, I don't want to pick up all of them today. You're going to eat this and that. Oh, got guac on it. Girl, why would they do that? It's a celebration. A celebration. Oh my God. We in Miami celebrating Mother's Day weekend. Happy Mother's Day, Mom.
Soy tuyo nada más, dile que conmigo te vas, que déjame tirar.
I can't get it out. So I'm walking, I love it. It's nice and quaint. Nice size bed. I love the theme. I think this is, I'll tell you when we get done. Cute little lamp. Make sure ain't nothing in here. Ooh, do it open. Okay. I was expecting the Bible, no Bible. Nice little TV. We don't really need too much of that because we're really not gonna be here. Nice little seating area. A nice little letter of the wills and wants, do's and don'ts. Place for the suitcase. Nice fridge. Empty and clean. Freezer. Is it ice maker? Now, we're not gonna bother that, but there is ice machine. Oh, that is so cute. I didn't even touch toaster for our bagels, microwave. Let's see because coffee maker. We will have coffee because we're on vacation. It's Mother's Day weekend, for Christ's sake. Okay. Is it a stove in here? Because why are there pots and pans? Maybe some little grill in here. Cute little plates. What's over here? Paper towels. Oh, it is a little, y'all better stop. I will go get me some eggs. It's a little plate down there. Nice closet. The ironing board. I guess, oh, and an iron. And a cute little blanket. And a full-length mirror. They did very well with this. This is so cute. So adored. Soaps, conditioners, body wash. This is the restroom, toilet, shower. Ooh. Hope you have a shower cap. This is so cute. Nice and quaint, good enough. We'll be back.
That's it. Yeah, like you got Malibu, you want me to record?
Hey guys, last night in Miami, we're gonna have what I hope to be a decent dinner because, oh my God, the dinners we've been having have been subpar, to say the least. Places we visited before that were amazing have been complete jokes. Complete jokes. But anyway, we're here for a good time, and I'll show you where when we get there. We're going to dinner. I'm gonna see if they let her in.
That's why we don't give you knives. I'll do it again with the bouquet. With the bouquet. Okay. I'm running low on vodka.
You did it out of nowhere.
So you weren't recording, or you won't record him?
I won't record him. Our exhibit, you know who that is?
Nope.
Taylor Swift.